Hello, explorers, and welcome to Q&A episode 45 of Unbroken. I'm Alexandra Amore, and as this goes out, it's Christmas Day 2023. Whether you celebrate Christmas or not, what I wanted to do today is just encourage you to give yourself a bit of a break. So, no matter when you're listening to this, here's what I would love. I would love for you to take a moment today and give yourself a tiny bit of kindness. Extend some compassion toward yourself, even if it's just for a minute. You could just put your hand on your heart and remember that being a human being is really, really hard. This is a hard thing you're doing. It is a challenge. And you're doing a great job. No matter what's going on in your life, no matter maybe how caught up you are in your feelings today and in your thoughts, especially, you're doing great. You're really trying hard to be the best human being you can be. And no matter what's going on, no matter even when we fail at that, even when we innocently fall down and get bruised and maybe, do some things that upset some people or whatever it is, whatever way it is that we feel like we've failed, even then, we deserve our own grace and compassion and kindness. And so I would love for you today if you just extended that to yourself. If you took a moment and you could pause this podcast right now and just, whatever way it feels good for you to do that, give yourself the tiniest bit of kindness that you are able to give. And remember that the person that you are is, no matter what the circumstances, is doing the very best you can. And yeah, like I said, even when we feel like we fall down at reaching for that goal, even when we do things we regret, we're still always trying our very best. And we're always trying to connect, always at every moment, to the peace and the love and the kindness that we are, that we're made of. The building blocks, the material that we are made of is peace and love and well-being and resilience. And we're always trying to connect to that. So that's all I really have to say for today. This is a shorter episode, but I just wanted to pop in and encourage you to try to give yourself a little bit of kindness today because you deserve it. So I trust that you are well and taking good care, and I hope that whatever's happening for you today, whenever you're listening to this, that you were able to do this to yourself, extend yourself some grace, even if things are really hard, even if things are going badly. So I'm sending you lots of love as always, and I will talk to you again next week. Take care. Bye-bye.